Scott Burdge has lived his whole life in Brewster, Ohio. He is a 1980 graduate of Fairless High School and R.G. Drag Career Technical Center. While in high school, he was a member of Key Club and vice president of Vocational Industrial Clubs of America at R.G. Drag. He was a 3-year letterman and played defensive linebacker and offensive right guard. His team was AOC champions with a record of 8-2. The All-AOC Football League chose Scott as honorable mention All-League his junior year, and First Team All-League his senior year. During his high school years, he was awarded many honors, including National Honor Society and National Technical Honor Society. Scott was involved in the early job placement program at RG Drag his senior year, and was placed at Worcester Iron and Metal Company, where he worked for 11 years. When Scott's high school welding instructor was about to retire, RG Drag hired him to shadow his former teacher and take over the welding program. So he went back to school to further his training in welding and earn his teaching license. Mr. Burdge has now been teaching welding and metal fabrication at RG Drag going on 33 years. Many of his students earn national welding certification before graduation and are employed by the welding industry the summer of their junior year and work full-time their senior year. Mr. Burdge and his students have designed and fabricated many projects throughout the community. One of the many includes the Falcon that graces the front of Fairless High School. He coordinates and judges the regional and state welding competitions for Skills USA in Ohio. Mr. Burdge has taught over 1,600 welding students in his career and placed over 90% of his students in the welding field. In 2016, Scott was nominated and selected by his welding peers across the nation to receive the Plummer Memorial Education Award in Las Vegas, Nevada. Scott has been married to his wife, Sue, for 40 years. She is also a 1980 graduate of Fairless High School and RG Drag. They have 2 children, Heidi and Holly, who both also graduated from Fairless High School. Scott and Sue are the very proud grandparents of 8 grandchildren. Congratulations, Scott Burdge.